Mema Obibia Kwawa Eba Juicy News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Adamede Bremo. LPP and then about no air coso de ding a year 100% to Franca ama party no MPP Kennedy Agyapong Owusu Afriyie a year at the end more any Dr. Muhammadu Baumia about no Ashisha so de ding na no na central foods a bopini a year as Owusu wadi and some atuga Sasuna Kennedy Agyapong so de and some atuga. Now answer na me de and 70 na be Bremo no. Say when subscribe to the channel now, say obey subscribe. Don't be say obey click a subscribe button no. Now wabele a notification no. When I saw video for free be upload also once be. Afriyie na wala give video no my thumbs up. Now fe wa share ma for so e nyebi share. Afriyie ko ensem MPP one day abatona share so de dendi pa na Kennedy Agyapong Obopini Central Forward and some atuja Sasuna Owusu Owusu de some atuja Obopini Central Forward. Na no see Kennedy be hunu the smoothness level. Na yes breno de enti Owusu ni sema wode tuja any Kennedy Agyapong enti and some no for Baumia.
Well, by 3 o'clock we'll know. I know what the kingmakers in this constituency have told me. We've had extensive engagements with them, and they've told us that they are fully aligned behind the DMB project. So we're just waiting to see by what margin he wins in this constituency.
Exactly the point I was going to come to. What margin are you looking at?
We'll find out soon enough. Nothing less than 80%.
Some believe that Kennedy Agyapong can't pull a surprise at this particular constituency.
Just at the end of the day, everybody will see their smoothness level. In this constituency, even he knows that it will be a really uphill task for him to change what has already been ordained. We've been working here for a long time. We've lived with our constituents for a long time. We've engaged with them. We've spoken to them. They've told us what their concerns are and their expectations are. And they've told us, we had a meeting last night as well. Our final meeting was last night. And they said they know that the party's best fortunes lie with Dr. Baumia.
What do you make of the security arrangements so far at this particular polling station?
We have always had a peaceful voting process here. And that is why you can see everybody is collecting their accreditation outside, moving in, queuing, quietly going to vote. We do things properly in Abelemkpe West.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much for talking to us. All right.
You see, when I say showdown, what is your understanding of showdown?
That you beat them.
Beat them what?
In the election.
Yeah. So it's a showdown means you will see Agronom from you see who will win.
Agronom from
yesterday, if you watch the CNN, you see Senate showdown on the budget of the Israeli budget that they were going to. There is no showdown. It doesn't mean it means it's going to be a heated contest, and if you say I'll give you showdown, it means you are going to win, no matter what. Yes.
So
if it's Kennedy Agyapong, I'll beat Muhammad hands down. No doubt about it. Look, everywhere, you know, what Ghanaians are expecting is a bold, honest leader. The situation we are in, they've tried politicians who are lawyers, soldiers, economics, and still Ghanaians feel is not enough the way things are going, and therefore Kennedy Agyapong, the businessman, let's give him a chance and see what a businessman can also do. These are advantages: my boldness, the truthfulness, and the business. I stand to, when you bring any NDC, any contestant, that three things will let me win the election easily.
Me Kennedy Agyapong, onya basa do and die, kill, wa kill you, I flee. Indi Kennedy Agyapong, Baumia digital by BBI wrong for Baumia. Alankashi or see Christian war on be vote amani efa KAA Owusu fiti Nana Dubuayi ya tra so sa iri de obeye oba ya de no obeye inti Kennedy Agyapong buy do and down your rough for kill you Kennedy Agyapong is man we go kill you right now no I free me pa Kennedy Agyapong onya basabasa do and die kill you I free.
Yo, it's for because GC News so and I work here no say when you subscribe ya Mr. say over subscribe no like it na wa share video no. Also bet me actually wadwen afa and say we nyina ho e wo comment box mu. Mo beti me nka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.